Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Saturday, March 22nd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is an animal, and number 2 is a beautiful country in Asia. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob is holding a snake. Bob is holding a snake. Snake. Bob is holding a snake. Sometimes they are dangerous. Sometimes they are safe. Now we can make a flashcard for snake. Please write snake up here in the top left corner. S-N-A-K-E. Down in this corner, A-N-I-M-1. This means animal, level 1. And over here, 27 out of 33, the number. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A. Snake. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We go to Thailand every year. We go to Thailand every year. Thailand. It is a beautiful country in Asia. Now we can make a flashcard for Thailand. The adjective is Thai. We eat Thai food every day. And the language is also Thai. Jennifer speaks Thai. And remember to use a capital T because it is the name of a country. Please make a card like this. Write Thailand in the top left corner. Thailand. And the adjective and the language is Thai. Down in this corner, country 1. And over here the number 23 out of 26. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. I. Thai. Land. Thailand. Game over. You did really well today. Today we learned an animal. Snake. Very good. And number 2 is a beautiful place. Thailand. Yes, that's a beautiful country in Asia between Vietnam and Myanmar. And here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Very good. Rye bread. Yes, this is one kind of bread. Number 2, be typical. Very nice with a C. This means ordinary, usual. And number 3, shake, shook, shaken. an irregular verb. My name is Vinny. Thank you for watching from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Please write your language on the other side of the card.